Hello, and welcome to this Program Pathways Mapper tutorial. In this segment, we will cover how to create a linked transfer map. To begin, we will start at the community college that the first part of the linked map will be from. Users will need to either create a new map or edit an existing one. For this example, I will be editing an existing map. On the right-hand side of the page, click the Linked Maps button. A pop-up will appear listing any maps currently linked to the one being edited. To link a new map, select the Link New Map option at the bottom of the pop-up. Users will then need to choose which program from the other participating college to link to using the drop-down. Please note that only programs that will appear are ones that already have maps authored on them. Once chosen, click the Save and Link button. Next, we will switch colleges to be at the participating linked CSU college. Navigating to the program we chose to link in the last step, click the View button. On this screen, we can see that there is a warning alerting us to the fact that the first part of the linking process has been initiated. By clicking the Fix button to the right of the warning, users can choose to create a new map or link to an existing version. This choice is useful if a different emphasis version needs to be created. In this example, I will be linking to an existing map. From the drop-down, select the map that you wish to link to. Once chosen, click Save and Link Map. Maps can be unlinked from either college at any time. To see the student view of the map you just linked, click the Publish tab and then generate the site preview. Once viewing the preview, to see the transfer map, go to the program group that your map is listed under, then select the program. You'll notice that any map that has a transfer map available has a special icon next to it. Once here, you'll be able to see the student view of the transfer map. That concludes this training video. Please contact us if you have any other questions or watch our other training videos.